let's try this again. We've been trying to make this video here for the last 15-20 minutes and I keep screwing it up. Anyways, Happy New Year's everyone. It's New Year's Eve 2021 and we are going to celebrate this evening by having Korean barbecue for dinner tonight. So that's what we are up to. Anyways, I'm going to bring you over here and I'm going to show you what we're doing. So if you've never done Korean barbecue before, you don't know what you're missing. It's a very fun experience, I guess I should say. It's cooking your meal, serving your meal, and eating your meal all at the same table, all at the dinner table, and it's kind of one of our pastime favorites. So let's go over here and take a look real quick. All right. So anyways, we have a little gas burner stove. We're getting ready to fire that baby up. Get her nice and hot, throw some oil on there and throw some Korean beef on there. So that's marinated in beef bulgogi sauce. And then we got the bacon wrapped mushrooms, which is kind of what your own little thing, right? Yeah. That's not usually something I see on a Korean barbecue plate, but I think it'll turn out really good actually. So just onions, good look. Yeah, onions, prawns. Prawns is another thing you don't usually see, but hey, whatever. We're gonna do it our way, and we're gonna have fun doing it. So, got some romaine lettuce. Got the kimchi. Got to have the kimchi, no matter what. Coke, yeah, whatever. Coke, and the Korean chili paste. Anyways, all the good stuff we need for a decent meal this evening. So, and we got the girls. We got Alvina, Cayenne.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Well, Merry Christmas, Cayenne.
Merry Christmas, Jam.
Merry Christmas, Jam. Yeah, there you go. Happy New Year's. And then we got the wonderful Mrs. Eden Barnes. Yes. She's been really busy here lately, so.
Cooking the whole day, that's why I just wanted Korean barbecue tonight.
Yep, so. Yeah, let's fire it up and then we'll come back in a few minutes. Oh yeah, there we go. Getting her done. Look at that.
Yeah.
You smell that, Jim? Does that smell good?
Yeah.
I keep this camera away from there. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Fry it up, baby. You gotta let the girls cook. Nice. Okay, this is looking really good. Of course, I had the burner up a little bit too high, so we had to crank it down. It was cooking pretty fast. But we just threw the onions on there. Those are the last to go on, right, hon? Huh? The onions, we just threw those on there last.
Yeah.
And then the bacon wrapped mushrooms, and then the first was the beef, the Korean beef. So far everything's coming along. Looking good. Looking good. And then we got the dog. She's down here on patrol, making sure that we don't drop anything. Yeah, she's keeping track of everything coming down on the floor, if anything. So what you putting on there? What kind of sauce is that?
The bulgogi.
Bulgogi?
Yeah.
Alright. Good stuff. Guys, we are almost there. Look at that shrimp. Doesn't that look marvelous? Yeah. Marvelous. Where do I get a word like that? Marvelous. Doesn't that look marvelous?
Sounds just.
Looks awesome. So, beef,
pork,
pork,
onions,
and shrimp. we are styling. All right, so we're getting ready to eat Korean barbecue. Good stuff. We're teaching the kids how to eat this kind of stuff, you know. Being in the Philippines, you don't usually eat a whole lot of Korean style dinners, so this is kind of what we're doing. What are you doing over there? All right. So normally what I do is I take a little bit of this. This is really spicy. This is kind of hot, so you gotta use this kind of lightly. Just a little bit, maybe. Just a little bit, and then is this all the?
It's all yours. This is your plate.
We'll just share a plate. Just take a little bit of beef. Maybe like that. That's fine for now. Onions I usually eat separately. Usually it's just the beef I put in the lettuce. And everything else I eat kind of separately. So start out like that. So a little bit of this and a little bit of beef. And then just kind of wrap it up a little bit, however you like. And just eat it.
Yes, Jam. You're smelling the thing. Wait, Mommy. Konti lang ang
Oh yeah.
Kay ating.
Very good.
Konti lang po para try mo muna. When? Yan. Kung kaya ng kain lang kayo. Enjoy. When?
Yep.
Huwag kayong magmadaling kumain. Tuloy mo lahat. Lagyan mo lahat.
Good stuff. Try it. Yeah. Good.
Huwag kayong mahiya. Ganun talaga.
So anyways, there you have it.
Diba?
This is our Korean dinner for New Year's Eve in the Philippines. Right?
Yes.
Oh, here, kimchi toast. Kimchi toast. Cheers!
Cheers.
Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year.
Love you all.
Happy New Year.
And we'll see you soon. All right. Bye-bye.